I'm an African soldier.
So right now, Patoranking, a Nigerian star, is trending all over the world.
I know some of my Ghanaian brothers and sisters will not like this video I'm about to do, but let the truth be told. You see Patoranking, you see this your video you do about African soldier, where you are wearing Ghana clothes, representing Ghana. It was a shameful video where you do like that. I will not lie you. Hey!
Not for drama, but for culture. And this is because Patoranking dropped a new video and many Nigerians are asking one question: why Ghana?
You are a Nigerian. You didn't feature any Ghanaian person in that song. Even the person where you feature was a Jamaican person. You left your own culture and you are using another person's culture and you are singing that you are an African soldier. The whole concept doesn't make sense at all.
So in the video, Patoranking seems to be portraying Ghanaian culture, and Patoranking appears dressed in rich Ghanaian traditional kente, a fabric deeply rooted in Ghanaian culture.
I don't say if you only some Ghanaians will understand what I'm saying. Like people that is way intellectual will understand what I'm saying. That video doesn't make sense.
If you never know, you better know now.
And that is where the conversation starts. In the new music video, he shows a number of stars, including Ghanaians.
How can you be using another person's culture to be showcasing African soldier, whereas you are better your own culture?
And Nigerians are confused why he will portray Africa and leave his Nigerian culture and rather portray Ghanaian culture. And this video will break down exactly what happened. And all you got to do is to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Now let's get into it.
If you've enjoyed this video so far, please do me a huge favour and hit the like button and subscribe. These videos take quite a long time to make, so if you could help me out, I'll love you forever. Thank you all for your support. Now let's get back to this crazy story.
Hello, welcome to Ghana.
Thank you very much.
How did you enjoy our display of cultural Aquaba?
Yeah, lovely.
Okay, so how are you feeling about the whole experience with the Akuapem Easter Festival?
I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be my first time, and this is like my first Easter, you know, in that region. So I know everybody goes there during Easter period, so I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it.
So what are you expecting from your fans in Ghana right now?
Madness.
He's expecting madness from you Ghanaians. Be there.
Yeah, I see you. Yes, touchdown. You know, I see you. I see you tomorrow. Akuapem.
So Nigerians are calling Patoranking out. Now, why they are calling Patoranking out is that Patoranking has dropped a new video and is out now and is banging. Now, the title is African Soldier. In this video, Patoranking appears to be dressed in rich Ghanaian traditional kente with Ghanaian beads all around him. Now, if you know about kente, kente is a fabric which is rooted in Ghanaian culture, and that is where the conversation is, because some Nigerians are furious as to why he did not showcase Nigerian culture, because Nigeria has a similar culture with Ghana, and he could have done the same video, maybe wearing a Nigerian they wear what is it, fugu or batakari? Yeah, Nigeria they wear something like that, maybe displaying something like that. But he didn't do that. Instead, himself and all the dancers were dressed and draped in Ghanaian Kente and fabric all around them. And Nigerians think that no, he's doing Nigeria a disservice by promoting one African country's culture and leaving his own African country behind.
I know some of my Ghanaian brothers and sisters will not like this video I'm about to do, but let the truth be told. You see Patoranking, you see this your video you do about African soldier, where you are wearing Ghana clothes, representing Ghana. It was a shameful video where you do like that. I will not lie you. Hey! You are a Nigerian. You didn't feature any Ghanaian person in that song. Even the person where you feature was a Jamaican person. You left your own culture and you are using another person's culture and you are singing that you are an African soldier. The whole concept doesn't make sense at all. I know say if you only some Ghanaians will understand what I'm saying, like people that is way intellectual will understand what I'm saying. That video doesn't make sense. How can you be using another person's culture to be showcasing African soldier, whereas you have better your own culture to do this kind of video where it's supposed to be top notch? Do you know the meaning of that African soldier you sang? And you are using Ghana culture to do that video. It was a shameful video why you do like that. I'm not gonna lie you. Seriously.
Yo, this greatness can decline. This river cannot dry.
But online reactions were mixed because some people criticized the choice of fabric he used, whilst others also defended him, saying that this isn't about one country, this is about Africa as a whole. And if you want to promote Africa, then the gateway of Africa is Ghana. And so you need to pass through Ghana to get to Nigeria. Now, the next thing people are also talking about is that in the video, he tries to show some African heroes or people he think they've done something worthy emulating in Africa. And so he shows videos of all the great people, including Davido and Patoranking and a number of Nigerian artists. But he also throws more light on some Ghanaian artists like Sarkodie, Shatta Wale, Black Sherif, and a number of Ghanaian artists that he threw the spotlight on. That also people are questioning it.
Nedda ono yenga yandabye kyogamba yenti mutalaba nene mukayana nti sima yachi sa Osmani Patoranking yakutadde mu video sente kati olina nyingi gwe bagambye sente nazijja mu TikTok. Muganda wange tuli bakozi tukoze emirimu mingi nnyo nabagamba ddamu abagala otunda amataka ndi mu estate oyagala nyumba ewedde nkonaako obukonyi my brother.
La famille Patoranking, dans son nouveau clip intitulé Africa Soldier, rend hommage à beaucoup de légendes de la musique africaine. Voyez en bas la tête de Mangana. Franchement, ça c'est une fierté. C'est ce qu'on vous dit à chaque fois. Culturellement, on a des légendes chez nous, mais il faut qu'on valorise nos artistes. Il ne faut pas que les autres personnes d'autres pays valorisent notre artiste alors que nous on est incapable de le faire. Voilà, c'est pour vous dire que ces grands artistes, big up, nos légendes. Donc franchement, Mangana, chapeau. Voilà, c'est juste une information vu que c'est le mois de Ramadan. Voilà, vous pouvez faire des captures. Après le Ramadan, allez-y kiffer le son. Voilà, donc c'est ça la famille. Franchement, big up à toi, on est ensemble.
But what they forget is that all these people are putting Africa on the map. So when you take a critical look at it, in fact, this is not Ghana versus Nigeria. This was something bigger, a collaboration, a message, and a reminder of an African identity. And let me tell you, if you are talking of one of the countries that made Patoranking blow, it is Ghana. Ghana actually patronized Patoranking song, all right? And you can check from fact. So even when he portrays Ghana, I think it's in the right direction. So what do you think about these allegations put out by Nigerians? Do you think they have a case, or you think their argument is strictly overruled? Leave your comment in the comment section. Sarah, for today.